Now let's learn how to write an argumentative essay here. So first, planning is very, very important. Let's do planning. 5-minute planning is important here. So let's first prepare layout here. Layout. So layout means how many sentences or how many words you write for interesting part, and then main argument, first body paragraphs, second body paragraphs, and third body paragraphs, and conclusion there. Let's see here. So you should write 25 words or about 3 sentences here for interesting part, and then there must be 3 sides. Like argumentative essay means there must be 3 sides because it is one of the topic here we have. For example, we should be the children. So do you agree or disagree? Our parents should be the children. Do you agree or disagree? In such case, then you can just go with one side of the questions, other side of the questions, and your opinion. It's simple. So 2 sides and your opinion means you should cover with 3 sides. And you can start this way. Templates we have here. It is often argued that what you just copy question here, first part. Copy question, or you say rephrase the questions. You can say this in other words there. And second one, increasingly, however, you can go with other side here. And then as per me, you can go with your opinion, or in my own perspectives, you can write your opinion here. And you can go to first body paragraphs here, and you should write about 65 words here, and at least 7 sentences there. And you should write your main argument. Main argument means what is your thesis here. You can just go with that main argument, or parents should not beat the children. Do you agree or disagree? So that's the main point here. So you can describe the main point. And while you describe the main point, remember one thing, important point to be noticed is there. You should write topic sentence here, okay? You know, one topic sentence, one paragraph. One idea, one paragraph. It is important here. So you can develop topic sentence there with other supporting details, reasons, and all there. So you can go with main argument there. So topic sentence means main idea. Like you might have seen in papers or read papers there, like Capital Post or Kantipur there. So it's the main idea is there. So how to develop main idea is important here.
Now let's see how a very good paragraph can be developed here. For example, this is topic sentence here. The mobile phone is the most popular gadget in today's world. Then how to develop these paragraphs? So there are furthermore, reasons, and then even some examples there, and you can just go with that and link to some ideas. For example, you can see some ideas here. We can stay in touch with family, friends, colleagues, wherever we are. Second point is there, we can send text messages or surf the internet, take photos, and listen to music. And mobile phones have also become fashion accessories. Mobile phones have revolutionized the way we communicate. By linking these ideas and adding a few things, I can write a paragraph here. Let's see. The mobile phone has become the most popular gadget in today's world. This is topic sentence, and whatever lines I write down there, they are all linking to topic sentence here. Alright, let's see. The reason for this is that it is a portable and versatile. Mobile phones are now carried at all times by most people, allowing us to stay in touch with family, friends, colleagues, wherever we are. Furthermore, they now have become more functions than a standard telephone. Mobile phones, the users can send text messages, surf the internet, take photos, and listen to music, as well as make some calls. Mobiles have become fashion accessories, and they have revolutionized the way we communicate.
So you can go to second part is refuting. Refuting means other side. So you agree and you must criticize other points. Generally politicians do that, not? So to be strong, to make their party, or to indicate that their party is strong, they try to emulate other parties, or they try to criticize other parties. So it's important here. So it is refuting is there. So try to refute and you go with however, because these ideas and this idea are in contrast forms. So start this sentence with however here. It's a refuting here. So try to criticize other points. And last one, our last body paragraphs we have is reply, response there. So on balance, I am quite convinced that we can start it. So which side you take part after all there? So if you take part this side, generally you take part this side here because this is main argument here, and you try to extend the points here and elaborate. And you can go to conclusion. Remember one thing, is like hamburger, no? So conclusion and interesting part, they are not more marked though, but it's very important. It looks good because of these 2 programs here we have. And interesting cover only questions. And conclusion cover the body paragraphs. So you can start this conclusion like this. Templates we have is in a nutshell, means it means in conclusion. I can safely.
All in all.
Yeah, you can go with all in all also, no problems. All in all, So I can safely draw a conclusion that then you can draw your conclusions and summarize. It means generally conclusions, you may be confused that how to pick up the points and all that. Don't worry, just rewrite these topic sentences in other words. That's enough. That's all about argumentative essay writings. You should write 250 words, and time given for essay writing is 40 minutes. That's all.
Thank you, sir.